The wondrous woman.
The wondrous woman.
Hi,
Hi,
I am Amina.
I am Amina.
Today
Today
we are
we are
celebrating
celebrating
our
our
school day.
school day.
The jubilant
The jubilant
atmosphere
atmosphere
at
at
school
school
made
made
me
me
rush
rush
towards
toward
it.
it.
Where I am
Where
I am
I am
very
very
excited
excited
as
as
my
my
parents
parents
were
were
invited
invited
by
by
the
the
headmaster
headmaster
on
on
the
the
occasion.
occasion.
After
After
a long while,
a long while,
I am
I am
going
going
to
to
see
all
my friends
my friends
today.
today.
I sat
I sat
in
in
the first row
the first row
with
with
my
my
brother
brother
in my
in my
lap
lap
and
and
my
my
parents
parents
on
on
either side.
either side.
The program
The program
started. One after
One after
the other,
the other.
my schoolmates
My schoolmates
performed
performed
different
different
activities.
activities,
But
but
out of all,
out of all,
the role play
the role play
on the
on the
wondrous woman
wondrous woman
performed
performed
by
by
my friends
my friends
touched
touched
my heart.
my heart.
Now,
Now,
I would like
I would like
to
to
share
share
those dialogues
those dialogues
with all
with all
of you.
of you.
Shravani
Shravani
as Mother Teresa.
and Mother Teresa.
Let's
Let's
all
all
be
be
thankful
thankful
to
to
God
God
for
for
His mercy.
His mercy.
I see
I see
God
God
in every human being.
in every human being.
Service
Service
to
to
human
human
is service
service
to God.
to God.
Helping hands
Helping hands
are
are
better than
better than
praying lips.
playing lips.
So,
So,
my dear children,
my dear children,
serve
serve
the needy
the needy
in
in
service
service
alone.
alone.
You find
To find
truth,
truth,
happiness.
happiness.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Revati
Revati
as
as
Kalpana Chawla.
Kalpana Chawla.
Hello friends.
Hello friends.
Do you know me?
Do you know me?
I am Kalpana Chawla,
I am Kalpana Chawla.
the first
The first
Indian woman
woman
who traveled
who traveled
in space.
in space.
I was
I was
very excited
very excited
to view
to you
the beautiful
the beautiful
blue earth
blue earth
from space.
from space.
Traveling
Traveling
in space
in space
is
is
a wonderful experience.
a wonderful experience.
I believe
Believe
in
in
one thing.
one thing.
Nothing
Nothing
is
is
impossible
impossible
if
if
you have
you have
a strong
a strong
faith.
faith.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you, friends.
Alekya
Alekya
as
and
Sakuntala Devi.
Shakuntala Devi.
Hello.
Hello.
This is
This is
Sakuntala Devi.
Shakuntala Devi.
I love
I love
mathematics.
mathematics.
I play
I play
with numbers.
with numbers.
My logical thinking,
My logical thinking,
commitment,
commitment,
titled me
me
as
as
the
the
human
human
computer.
computer.
So,
So,
my dear children,
my dear children,
put
put
your
your
efforts
efforts
to be
to be
successful
successful
in your life.
in your life.
Wish you
Wish you
good luck.
good luck.
Swapna
Swapna
as
as
MS Subbalakshmi.
MS Subbalakshmi.
Music
Music
is a
is a
special gift.
special gift.
Music
Music
enthralls
enthralls
human beings
human beings
as well as animals.
animals.
I can say
I can say
that
that
music is
music is
magic,
magic,
but
but
one has
one has
to put
to put
in a lot of
in lot of
practice
practice
and effort.
and effort.
As you know,
As you know,
practice
practice
makes
makes
a person
a person
perfect.
perfect.
I am
I am
blessed
blessed
to perform
to perform
concerts
concerts
around
around
the world.
the world.
So, children,
Children
keep
keep
on practicing,
practicing
and
and
one day
one day
you will become
you will become
perfect.
perfect.
Bhaja
Bhaja
Govindam.
Govindam.
Kalyani
Kalyani
as
as
Yamini Krishnamurti.
Yamini Krishnamurti.
Hello dears,
Hello dear,
I am
I am
Yamini Krishnamurti,
Yamini Krishnamurti,
an Indian
an Indian
classical dancer
classical dancer
of
of
Bharatanatyam
Bharatanatyam
and Kuchipudi.
and Kuchipudi.
I have
I have
a great passion
a great passion
for dance.
for dance,
Continuous
continuous
efforts
efforts
and
and
hard work
hard work
lead to excellence.
to excellence.
So,
So,
children,
children
enhance
enhance
your
your
passion.
passions.
All the best.
All the best.
Sarala
Sarala
as
as
Sarojini Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu.
Hello friends,
Hello friends.
this is Sarojini Naidu.
This is Sarojini Naidu.
Writing
Writing
poetry
poetry
is my hobby.
is my hobby.
People
People
call me
call me
the Nightingale
the Nightingale
of India.
of India.
Since my 14th year,
Since my 14th year,
I have been
I have been
writing
writing
poetry.
poetry.
I say
I say
that
that
you can also
you can also
become
become
a poet
a poet
if you have
if you have
enough
enough
vision
vision
and clarity.
and clarity.
I wish you good luck
I wish you good luck
in all
in all
your efforts.
your efforts.
Lata
Lata
as Jhansi Lakshmi Bai.
as Jhansi Lakshmi Bai.
Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Bharat Mata ki Jai.
I was
I was
the queen of
the queen of
Jhansi.
Jhansi.
Being lady,
Being lady,
I exhibited
I exhibited
my courage
my courage
by
by
fighting
fighting
against
against
the British
the British
in the
in the
1857 revolt.
1857 revolt.
My dear children,
My dear children,
be brave
be brave
and stand for
and stand for
the nation.
the nation.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Monica
Monica
as Mary Kom.
and Mary Kom.
Hi,
I
I am Mary Kom.
am Mary Kom.
I am
I am
an Indian boxer.
an Indian boxer.
People
People
call me
call me
Magnificent
Magnificent
Mary.
Mary.
I am
I am
interested
interested
in
in
martial
martial
arts
arts
too.
too.
My attitude is
My attitude is
don't compromise.
don't compromise.
You can
You can
do it.
do it.
A strong mind
A strong mind
is the key
is the key
to success.
to success.
Children,
Children,
try to fly
try to fly
the Indian flag
the Indian flag
high
high
in the arena
in the area
of
of
sports
sports
and
and
games.
games.
After witnessing
After witnessing
all the events,
all the events,
my parents
my parents
realized
realized
that
that
education is essential.
education is essential.
With
With
confidence
confidence
and
and
commitment
commitment
in their
in their
voice,
voice,
they said,
they said,
go ahead,
go ahead,
my dear,
my dear,
and prove yourself.
and do yourself.
They assured
They assured
me
me
to send
to send
me
me
to school
to school
every day.
every day.
You must be
You must be
the change
the change
you
you
wish
wish
to see
to see
in the world.
in the world.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi.